कल का इंसिडेंट के बारे में सीएम सर ने पूछा था, तो वी हैव रिप्लाइड एंड वी हैव गिवन रिटर्न एक्सप्लेनेशन आल्सो व्हाट हैज हैपेंड एंड हाउ थिंग्स डेवलप्ड.
Everything has been resolved.
Everything resolved.
Yes.
And we are ready to accept that milk also. And that issues were whatever were there, no communication gaps or whatever, these are discussed. And we have given written explanation and everything.
But why it was actually
Why?
rejected?
Yeah. Why was
Why
it?
it was
Since
rejected?
1 week it was going on, but the farmers were not ready. You know that yesterday we were continuously in contact on telephone, but they were not ready to even speak that okay, you suddenly they got angry or whatever. I don't know.
So what is
But
it? They were
what are the
saying
reasons?
they are testing the milk, and you are saying that.
The tag or
yes,
something
testing milk
different?
testing on base of test only it was rejected. And see, we also have to work as per rules only.
Exactly.
All are bound by the rules only, no? FSSAI, FSSAI, it is all India this organization for
Yes.
rules of any milk products and all. So we had given them before 1 week that circular and all information that these are the rules and now amendments are there. So kindly check that milk and then it should be accepted.
Okay.
If it is accepted at your level without testing, then we can test. So there was a gap between our testing and their testing. They did not have any facility for testing. Even we were not having. So these issues were there because of that.
The quality was not up to mark.
Because of
The
quality.
quality was not up to the mark.
Yes, quality was not up to the mark. Again, we have sent that sample to external laboratory and all the different laboratories also. And it will be given communicated to the farmers also. Now it's okay. No. Now result has not come. So we will communicate to the farmers.
So it was adulterated.
No, not adulterated. See, generally what happens, this is the breeding season, no? Monsoon. So cows are giving birth to calves. They are given some medicines. They develop mastitis. So some antibiotic injections are given to the cattle. So that medicine traces that sometimes comes into the milk. So this is generally done 6 monthly only. As per FSSAI, it was done 6 months. Now the rules are amended. And we are looking into that matter and we are working out how to perform these all tests.
चालू दवरा एंटीबायोटीक कितें तरी दुधान तांकां मेळ्ळें जे ऑलरेडी मॉइश्चरायझा खातीर ते एंटीबायोटीक घेतात ते एकदां दुधान येता तांकां सांगलां हांवें डिस्टर्ब करूं नाका तो फाल्यां जनरल मॅनेजर तांकां फाल्यां येता ओके एट प्रेझेंट खंयच्याच फार्मराक डिस्टर्ब करतना ते कंटिन्यू मिल्क घेताले ओके जालें फाल्यां जनरल मॅनेजर आसा त्या मागीर